Okay, the quickest, healthiest smoothie in the morning. We've got organic berries, organic apple juice. We have, the berries are frozen. Banana, organic banana and ice, and some of that apple juice. We've got spinach. This is intestinal repair, good for those that have colitis or Crohn's disease. And then organic protein. Look at the protein. You've got 21 grams and tons of fiber. And you'll have more fiber as you get this all together. So, let's get started. You got that. You have. The intestinal repair says 2 teaspoons. I do 1 teaspoon because I'm doing healthy. You've got 2 tablespoons, heaping tablespoons of your organic protein powder. I need a little bit more. I need to go buy some. And then about a cup of your spinach. And it helps if you top it with some ice. Fresh ice. Then you put on your bullet. And I already have apple juice in there. Okay, the bananas are down there. Crushed ice. Now you add your berries. You can add some extra spinach, some more crushed ice, and some apple juice. Take it off, shake it up. Shake it up, shake it up. One more shake. Look at how purple from the berries. And it's got tons of spinach in it. We're done. Good job.